This is the real escape from the city man. To give his wife a home, spend all your savings to buy 100 acres of land in the state of Idaho, and it took 3 years to do it yourself. Build a dream mansion that countless people envy. Not only is the interior decoration very luxurious, solving the field electricity problem with solar energy. After quitting $1 million job in the city, Kerry and his wife drove to Love River State. All the way, they finally arrived at the destination of their trip. The wife, who went to the wild for the first time, seemed a little excited. When you see a small tree tied with orange for generations, it shows that it has come to the land it purchased. After a few days of searching, two people found a feng shui treasure on the mountainside, but to create enough open space to build houses. Obviously, it's hard to do with just one post. Therefore, Kerry had to activate his superpowers, bought an excavator cup from town. With the blessing of modern machinery, let their reclamation efficiency be greatly improved. Whether it is the tree evil of the second generation around, or stubborn roots at the bottom, even dinosaur fossils from billions of years ago, the fear of being dominated by an excavator, under their insane operation, soon enough to build a house. As for those poor tree beasts chosen by fate, cut the bigger one into pieces. Keep it as fuel for the winter. And the slender branches, it's better to just burn it down. This is also the root of the fallen leaves. But because the soil at the bottom is too soft, you need to lay a layer of sand and gravel on the bottom first. Then it is repeatedly run over by trucks. It can play a hardening role at the same time. It also makes the ground flatter. Use the rope to map out the general area. Look at this area. At least you have to start with 3 bedrooms and 2 living rooms. As the saying goes, the foundation is not firm and the mountain is shaking. Although both of them are fledgling construction shall by. But also know, the foundation is the foundation of a house. More than 20 chicken pits were dug just 1 meter deep. The next day, the two men went to the local building materials market, buy with a small deposit, materials required for building a house. Although the shriveled wallet is crying secretly, but fortunately, the manufacturer supports delivery up the mountain. In addition, this purchase is all finished plates. Let Kerry build it without worry. After each foundation is added with concrete, fill flat with sand. Even if there is a level 10 tornado, it is impossible to shake them up. Then Kerry followed the measured length, splice the angry square together with iron nails. You can build an entire wall by standing up. This is how foreigners build houses. If you can use planks, you will never use bricks. The bottom of the square wood can just be stuck in. Groove on foundation pillar. The fixing can be completed after the screws are inserted. Its strength. It's enough for Kerry to do acrobatics on it. And having the first experience, the rest is much easier to operate. Not much. The second wall is made, but to make the framework stronger. The third wall, Kerry only made the middle. On both sides, first fix the columns in place, and then we fill in the gaps with short timbers, so that the 3 walls can form a whole. When others are still struggling with how to lay the foundation, and this guy's ready to go put up the roof. After all, they are all purchased finished panels, as long as the triangular frames are placed at a certain distance, reinforced with corner codes on both sides. It's not much harder than building blocks. As the last frame is placed, the two of them can't take a break. He immediately threw himself into the laying of the mausoleum. Compared with the previous process of opening and closing, it's a lot easier to do. Now the roof is only missing the tiles that haven't been fixed yet. But before that, you need to build the front wall first. At the same time, determine the size of the door frame for later installation of the gate. Although the joints are fixed with screws, but worried Kerry, the beauty fan frame was reinforced with a shoe scale, after ensuring that there is no possibility of any displacement of the hole. And then Kerry comes up to the roof and starts laying the tiles. Fear of working at heights. Make him take every step. Stop and stabilize your body. After all, an accident. It is possible for the whole village to eat. All the tiles on both sides are laid. Before you start installing the middle few watts, you need to glue a layer of sponge pad on the bottom first. In this way, the roof can have a better ceiling effect. And then there's lighting. At the same time, in order to avoid the trouble of later reflection, you have to reserve the surrounding windows. Let sunlight enter the room unhindered, then cover the wall with a layer of polypropylene cloth. This material not only has a good moisture resistance effect, it can also avoid the small wind that walks around the hall. Bring the next day to install the ordered windows in place. Don't look at the size. In fact, it is based on each different room, designed according to different lighting needs. Done. You can cover the outer wall with color steel tiles. The cut shape is not only convenient to install, and with experience in roofing, this job is not too difficult for the two of them. It looks like the exterior decoration has been done. In order to make better use of indoor space, Callie is going to build an area on the 2nd floor. The overall area doesn't need to be very large. The pillars are enough to support him. The entire bottom is still filled with concrete, and then it's filled with soil and gravel. Make sure there is no possibility of displacement. You can card the square wood into the groove to complete the support of the 2nd floor. Then Kerry fixed the planks to the wall. It is convenient to set up the joist later. Then with the assistance of the crane, put the most critical beam in place, and the distance reserved in the middle, just enough to hold the joist firmly in it. After fixing the connection with the corner code, you can cover it with an ozone board. In order to make the plates closer together, super glue should be inserted into the seams to fix them. Perhaps it is out of yearning for a new home. Busy from day to night, the two finally completed the laying of the ground. We all know that tin houses are cold in winter and hot in summer. In order to facilitate the later insulation of the room, you need to fix the mountain on the wall first. And as a future residential area, it is also necessary to divide each room well. Design this aspect. It's always been the professional counterpart's wife. As for how to achieve, then leave it to the husband of the all-knowing counsel. In the meantime, holes are also drilled in the partition. Hide the wiring of the whole house in it. I thought Carrie would only thank carpentry skills. I didn't expect to be a hidden senior electrician. As the wife installs the lighting fixtures, they don't have to work in the dark anymore at night, with the interior decoration going on steadily, to make the place feel more at home. Now is the time to install a gate for the new home. First, according to the measured size, the general frame is welded with steel pipe. The blank space is then filled with steel plates. In this way, even if the tank comes, there is nothing we can do about it. But in order not to affect the indoor lighting, and open to windows of the same size, with the help of a crane, pull the anus up little by little. After the top is fixed with a corner coat, the other one is also made in the same way. Although it's snowy outside now, still can't stop the enthusiasm of the two to make a door. The two anuses are connected by lotus leaves, traction by side crane, and the pulley and the cable. The door can be folded, but considering the thermal insulation in winter, you also need to glue the thermal insulation board inside. Finally, install the appropriate size of glass, strong and durable at the same time. It is also completely isolated from the cold air outside. Then the two move to the fireplace, after installing the shallots in place together, with the blessing of warm fire. So when I work in the future, so that they will no longer be intimidated, upstairs and downstairs, a total of more than 100 square meters of area, and keeping it warm was a huge undertaking. The process also takes into account the sealing of the gypsum board. Fortunately, the wife has exercised during this time. Whether it's the laying of the ceiling, or the filling of thermal insulation cotton, it can now be done with ease. But in order to save a small budget, only see, and Carrie put this cotton in a crusher, and he smashed it, and it's piped into the ceiling. There is a plastic film pocket bottom. Don't worry about side leakage. So one piece of material can be used as 2 pieces. The main one is to spend money on the edge of the knife. In the coming period of time, they're both working on sealing the panels and grooming the toilet drains. For the peace of mind in the future, they don't miss a single detail, and then fill in the seams with mortar. In this way, after applying putty, to be able to see no flaws. White has always been the most attractive color. Works well with any color. It's also challenging. The operator's patience. If you are not careful, there will be a situation of favoring one over the other. While painting the walls on my wife's side, Carrie's not idle either. He is busy flooring the room. The design and installation with its own airport are very convenient. It's just that the corners need to be marked. After careful cutting according to the shape, install it to achieve a seamless connection. In addition, the area of the second floor is not very large. Even Carrie artists can do it well. The ground looks much neater now, although there is still nothing inside, but it doesn't affect the mood of the two of them wanting to stay. Just install the bed in place first. You can feel the joy of housewarming in advance. As Ida River State enters full winter, cleaning the snow became a daily burden for Carrie. In addition to that, going out to the toilet in the morning also makes him feel that it is absolutely impossible. So the priority now, it is to perfect the indoor bathroom. After installing the floor drain on the ground, considering the waterproofing of the bathroom, the gap between the plates, it needs to be filled with mortar without dead ends first. And then you lay those marble tiles. Walls also need to be waterproof. Wait until the shower and other appliances are installed in place. Make a partition with glass around. Installing the toilet can achieve the effect of wet and dry separation. But in order to take a hot bath in winter, Carrie also bought a water heater with a 2,000-gallon water storage tank. Even if you take a Mandarin duck bath, it's no problem, seeing that the interior decoration is basically completed. Now it's time for home appliances to enter the market. We now have gas stoves. Just connect the pipes and install the trachea. From now on, they don't have to sleep outside. The furniture purchased the next day also just arrived, although you still need to assemble it yourself. But thanks to the customized size, let the splicing process be without any difficulties. After the wife rubbed wood wax oil on the surface, now they can officially move into their new home. It's just that as the number of electrical appliances in the home gradually increases, the previous mobile power supply is obviously not enough. So Carrie came in with a second-hand shipping container, ready to use him to upgrade the power supply system. It's just a rusty surface. Preservative is also required. Avoid further oxidation. Wait for the chi to be dragged to the sunny place. In order to prevent the displacement of the box, it needs to be filled with sand in the back, and the black paint that was brushed before, just enough to play a protective role. And then Carrie got some more I-beams. After punching, the middle is connected in series with steel pipes. The joint is firmly welded. Enable it to form a hole. This is what it looks like when it's done. Then with the assistance of an excavator, connect the box with a larger steel pipe. The bottom is installing a lift to ensure that the frame can rotate normally, and the rest of the painted part, also spray painted gray by his wife, while preventing oxidation. The appearance has also improved a level. When you're done, you can invite today's protagonist to enter. A total of 21 solar panels. I'm afraid I won't have to pay a penny for electricity in my life. As for the container at the bottom, after keeping the interior warm, then brush it with white putty uniformly. From now on, this is where the distribution box will be located. Then under the busy work of the master worker. In just one morning, I installed 12 batteries in it, and the whole set of inverters at the top. Sure enough, this kind of thing has to be done by a professional, as the line is directed indoors. Cooperate with the real-time power monitoring inside, so that the two will never have electricity anxiety again. Solve the most pressing problem of the moment. Let the two of them relax in their daily lives. There is also time to make a statement on the first floor. Improve to avoid the ground becoming muddy. After making the skeleton with steel mesh, the next day, Carrie rolls in a tank truck. Start pouring the ground on the first floor. Usually it's just parking and junk, so there are not many requirements in terms of construction. After the leveling of the ground is completed, before the cement is completely dry, you need to shrink the surface again, to avoid cracking due to excessive temperature difference. As for the sealing of walls and ceilings, considering the already small budget, the two choose to lay with color steel tiles. Although the appearance is not as beautiful as drywall, but at least it's white on both sides. Wait until the hemming of the window is installed together. Now the whole thing looks very atmospheric. As time goes by, autumn goes to winter. In order to have a better living experience here, Carrie is getting ready at the back of his new home. Build another balcony. With previous foundation laying experience, they will soon complete the basic security check. But to make the base more firm, it also uses steel pipes as support, splicing out the general frame of the terrace. As a place to rest for tea in the future, the overall area must be large enough. And then we fix it with square wood in the middle, so that it can be better connected together. With the prototype of the terrace, you can fasten the joists with a Wildvest, and then it's covered with wood. Seal the platform completely. Although there are snowflakes in the sky now, the temperature outside has also dropped a lot, but it still doesn't affect the two of them to continue working in the snow. To put the last plank in place, in order to make it more convenient to travel up and down, Carrie uses two thorns as scaffolds. A steel plate is welded in the middle as a countertop. After installation, it is a staircase with a matching stop, considering future safety, and put a circle of guardrails around it. By the time the construction story of these two people is officially completed, after 3 years of alternating spring and autumn, the couple finally achieved their dream. In this desolate jungle, live the life you really want.